Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you how to get free Moboreader coins. So let me open it up, and as you can see, we have a button and we press, we can add free coins. So let's see if it goes up, and hopefully it increases, and let's see what happens. So as you can see, it's loading. Yeah, it's really cool. Alright, so let's see if the coins increase or not. So as you can see, bang! So I'm going to show you guys how to do this. Works on iOS and Android. So let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you how to download it. So just go to matrixmods.com, find Moboreader, press download, and before it downloads, it's going to be verification. So this is the last step. You just got to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free from the official app store, and then you will have the stick Moboreader hack. So let's just give it a second for this to load. As you can see, so now it's going to say missing files, whatever, and you just got to download like 2 of these apps. So as you can see, there's tons of them. So like DraftKings, you gotta search something up. Scanner app, you gotta search something up. So yeah, it's super cool. Travel Town, Underdog Fantasy, this one's down and run for 30 seconds. So that's how I get Moboreader hack for your device, so you can get free coins. Super cool. So be sure to try it out for yourself if you guys enjoy this. But yeah, it actually works. So if you guys need it, definitely try it out. So yeah, if you guys are interested, you can leave a comment down below. But just make sure you watch the video. So just press help, and there's a video here, so you can watch that. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is fully working, guys. And peace out.